Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl Izzy back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today, we're going to dive into the world of business cycles and economic indicators. Now, I know that sounds like a mouthful, but stick with me. I promise to make it as easy as pie. Speaking of pie, let's use that as our analogy today. Imagine you're baking a pie. The process of baking a pie is similar to a business cycle. You start with gathering your ingredients, which is like the expansion phase of a business cycle. This is when businesses are growing, jobs are being created, and the economy is generally doing well. Next, you mix your ingredients together. This is like the peak phase of a business cycle. Everything is mixed together, and the economy is at its highest point. Businesses are booming, and unemployment is low. Then you put your pie in the oven. This is like the contraction phase of a business cycle. The economy starts to cool down just like the pie starts to bake. Businesses may start to slow down, and unemployment may start to rise. Finally, you take your pie out of the oven and let it cool. This is like the trough phase of a business cycle. The economy has reached its lowest point and is starting to recover, just like the pie is cooling and setting. Now, let's talk about economic indicators. These are like the tools and techniques you use to bake your pie. For example, a rolling pin is like an economic indicator. It helps you roll out your dough, just like economic indicators help you understand the state of the economy. A thermometer is another economic indicator. It tells you the temperature of your oven, just like economic indicators tell you the temperature of the economy. If the thermometer reads too high, your pie might burn, just like an overheated economy can lead to inflation. A timer is another economic indicator. It tells you how long your pie has been baking, just like economic indicators can tell you how long the economy has been in a certain phase of the business cycle. So there you have it, folks. Business cycles and economic indicators, explained with the help of a delicious pie. I hope this has helped you understand these concepts a little better. Before we wrap up, don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to keep up with all things money, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Remember, understanding money doesn't have to be hard. It's just like baking a pie. You just need the right ingredients, the right tools, and a little bit of patience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep mastering your money.